50 Cent on Fat Joe and Fabolous being predictable on what they're going to wear to Fendi's yacht party.
I already know how it's going to play out. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be crazy. I think, I bet you that Fat Joe show up with some white on white Nikes nobody can't find. Right? Probably, Fabolous, he going to try to wear white. You know, why everybody wearing white, he want to wear white because he want to try and shine on these anyway. Anytime it comes to clothes, that type of shit's happening. And then, you know, you just got to watch it. You got to watch it because you don't know what's going to happen next. It's going down, though, July 9th.
So they sent the greatest storyteller in hip-hop history, the box of the finals 2022. This is how it plays out. The merchandise I show you that's in this treasure chest will be the champs of the 2022 season. Let's see. Oh, it's definitely not gonna be. Thank you, NBA, for that. Nah, this is like an insult to injury, right? Maybe next year. Thank you, NBA. Watch the finals, man. Tune in. Peace. Joe Crack.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
That illegally owned. Just came in. Appreciate y'all. Got the evidence. Got the evidence bag. The packaging, that was hard. Rest in power to Trayvon Martin. Thank you, Sabrina Fulton, Puma. I rock this proudly. Young fallen soldier. Okay. Nike sent that workout to hit through. Look like they want me to just do it. Okay. Well, they sent socks and everything. Got some dry fit. Got some sweatsuits. Stussy Nike. Stussy, whatever. Got some workout. Oh yeah, these some real workout joints. Debo coming. Debo coming, nigga.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.